cosmology, there is birth, life, death, the afterlife. It's often drawn as a cosmogram, one pyramid up, one inverted pyramid down, a line through the middle. But if you connect the points, you create a circle, because that is the continuum of life. We are all interconnected in the circle. So whatever we put out, what does it do? It comes back. And being a mathematician and computer scientist, I can tell you there's a thing called momentum. So more often than not, it's not at the same rate that it comes back. It's like rolling a ball off the top of the cave and let it go. And when it comes back down, it's a lot faster than going up. The same thing, you may put out that one little smart remark in this room, and then the car hits you outside. And then you wonder, why that happened to me? But then remember that energy that you put out, but it came back around with momentum. So the momentum of this conference has to be that truly we live the story we came here to do. We live to not only break the color barrier, but totally destroy it, make it one of those rocks as fertilizer now to grow a new generation of people that realize that everyone's story can live as long as we speak it, as long as we tell it, as long as we swim it out, as long as we walk it out, as long as we live what we're teaching. And when there are still the living people there, then we need to reach out to them and say, come, help me know who your people are. Help me know why this land is important. Help me know why this water speaks to you, that causes you to now go beneath it and be the expert guide, the master guide. I don't like that word master, I still live around plantation. And so, when we start to do this, this is when I believe everyone in the world, not just Americans, will realize why they need to get out and not just wait to see us on the DVD and on the film, but come outdoors and walk with us, walk through the caves, walk to the water, into the water, and rejuvenate, renew your spirit, cleanse yourself, let everything then speak to you, but walk away letting it speak through you. And so for us, that is why when I took the message to Congressman James Clyburn and said, I need you to help us do something to keep our people on this land, I never thought it would turn around on me and have folks say, but we want to build something that I know will bring more tourists to the land. They're going to end up displacing from the land because we need hotels for the tourists to come. But that's the push now, to say, well, now that we got it, let's make it 30% here and one there, but no! Then you'll bring upwards of millions of people that need hotels to stay in. Why don't you just let them come to us? And we take them outside. The Gullah Geechee Coalition does the same types of programs. Living history. We take them to elders' homes, to areas where we still grow our food, where we do even field studies with scientists, where we take them to the shoreline to study the horseshoe crabs and our loggerhead turtles and everything. We still go ahead and are able to take people into the woods where they can see the herbs that still grow. So depending on the group that's coming and their focus, we do that. We also have learning groups come from colleges where they do work in the elders' yards and fix their homes. Do things that is easy for me and you to do, but they can't do it no more. They're 90, they're 100. Gullah Geechees live to be over 100 most times because we live in balance. We like peace. We love laughter. We love to dance. And most of all, we like to be family and things, but they all around we compound. So when I come in this your room this morning, and I peep in here a long time ago, I said, okay, good, you got the chair the right way. They know I got one. Oh, what? Remember the circle. Don't give me these line and things now. But the circle of connection is not only what you represent by sitting in a circle, but what we represent by all coming from all the places we've come from to meet in the center. So I pray that all we ever put out in it is positivity, respect, and appreciation for who God made you to be. So remember, just go back to it and trust me, you'll have a clear way